I'm excited for today. She's reading a good book. Let's go to the market. He's working on his project. They're watching a movie. I need my morning coffee. She plays the piano every day. Time to clean the house. He's waiting for the bus. I love evening walks. The weather is perfect today. I forgot my umbrella. He's my best friend. They're cooking dinner. I have a meeting later. I'm studying for exams. She's working from home. We need groceries. He's listening to music. I'm reading a great book. They're playing soccer outside. She's wearing a blue dress. I'm going to the gym. We're having lunch now. The kids are playing outside. I'm taking a short break. She's baking a cake. I need to call my friend. He's taking a nap. I'm cooking dinner tonight. We're sitting in the living room. She's writing a letter. I'm cleaning my room. The phone is ringing. I like this song. She's drawing a picture. I'm learning to drive. They're traveling to Paris. I'm drinking water. He's wearing a black jacket. We're having a party this weekend.